I'm Vincent, a master ceramist from Switzerland. I specialize in complex cases, in aesthetics, always looking for the best material to provide great smile. And I'm here in West Hollywood, California.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kathleen McClintock, an aesthetic dentist in Santa Barbara, California.
We will share with you the benefit of how the patient feels with this particular way and unique way of treatment, and also from a clinical perspective, how the dentist really feel after working with LayZir and how beautiful the case turned out versus a typical model that we see by ceramists, and of course veneers that are on a model which don't really mean much. So it's going to be a very dynamic opportunity for all of us to share on camera how this case turned out to be so successful.
So tell me, Vincent, why are you choosing LayZir for her case?
Good question, Dr. McClintock. I think LayZir is well suited for the patient. We're going to do minimally invasive dentistry. We're going to do very thin veneer, 0.3 millimeter, which is very tiny, very conservative. And LayZir BL1 is the only material that I know who will actually be able to produce this level of brightness with custom work. It's going to be gorgeous. And let's see where you are at. Definitely on the brighter side. Do you agree with that, Nancy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's it. Let me see. Yep. You know how we always review cases by the time it's done. In this particular case, with this patient, what could we have done better to actually get an even better result? What are your thoughts on that?
Actually, with this case, I feel there's nothing that was disappointing. We had incredible margins. We had contacts. They're beautiful. The porcelain just fit right under the gum tissue beautifully, or right at the tissue. The color was exceptional. And I think that's what stood out the most to me, was not just the shaping, but the color. It just came out and looked alive. And I really think that this is the best material for us to be using in the future.
I think that's definitely a new benchmark in a bright level. Everybody wants bright teeth that looks natural. It's the hardest thing to do in dentistry. Thank you so much for having me involved, and go LayZir. It's going to go a long way.